Welcome to Natural Healing Guides, where we believe in the power of nature to heal, rejuvenate, and transform our lives. In this video, we're looking into a topic that's as timeless as it is fascinating. 10 powerful healing herbs everyone should know about. Before we get into the green goodness, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Your engagement helps us spread the word on natural healing, and we appreciate every bit of your support. Let's jump right in. Herbs have been the backbone of traditional medicine for thousands of years, and even today, their relevance in promoting health and wellness cannot be overstated. So, without further ado, let's unveil these 10 botanical wonders and how they can benefit you. Turmeric. We're kicking off our list with a spice that's as golden as the morning sun, turmeric. Known for its active compound, curcumin, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Whether you're battling inflammation, looking to boost your immune system, or aiming to keep those brain cells sharp, turmeric is your go-to herb. Add it to your meals or sip it as a warm, comforting tea. Ginger. Next up is ginger, a zesty root that packs a punch against nausea and digestive troubles. It's also your ally in fighting colds and flu, thanks to its warming properties. Ginger tea, anyone? It's a soothing remedy that has stood the test of time. Peppermint. Refreshing and invigorating, peppermint isn't just for freshening your breath. It's excellent for easing digestive issues from bloating to IBS symptoms. A cup of peppermint tea can calm your stomach and your mind, making it a double-duty herb. Lavender. Famous for its calming aroma, lavender is the herb of choice for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Having trouble sleeping? Lavender's soothing scent might just be the natural sleep aid you've been looking for. Chamomile. Often called the nighttime tea, chamomile is renowned for its ability to relax the body and prepare you for a restful sleep. But that's not all. It also has anti-inflammatory and liver-protecting properties. A cup of chamomile tea before bed is like a gentle lullaby for your soul. Echinacea. If you're aiming to ward off colds or recover from one, echinacea should be on your radar. It boosts the immune system and can lessen the severity of cold symptoms. Embrace the power of echinacea and keep those seasonal sniffles at bay. Ginkgo biloba, a living fossil. Ginkgo biloba is not just a marvel of nature, but also a boon for cognitive health. It enhances blood circulation to the brain, supporting memory and focus. For a mental edge, consider adding ginkgo biloba to your wellness routine. St. John's wort. In times of stress and mood swings, St. John's wort is a beacon of hope. Known for its antidepressant qualities, this herb can be a natural way to elevate your mood and combat mild to moderate depression. Remember, mental health is as crucial as physical health. Garlic. Beyond its culinary prowess, garlic is a powerhouse for boosting heart health. It lowers blood pressure, reduces cholesterol levels, and has antiviral properties. Incorporate garlic into your diet, and your heart will thank you. Milk thistle. Last but certainly not least, milk thistle is your liver's best friend. It's known for its liver-protecting effects, ideal for detoxifying and rejuvenating this vital organ. Milk thistle can be a great addition if you're looking to support your liver health. There you have it, 10 powerful healing herbs that can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. But we're curious, have you used any of these herbs before? Do you have a favorite herbal remedy or a personal success story? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your journey can inspire and guide others in our community, creating a circle of healing and knowledge. And if this video opened new doors of wellness for you, why not share the love? Spread the word to friends, family, and anyone who could benefit from the healing power of herbs. Together, we can create a healthier, more vibrant world, one herb at a time. Thank you for tuning in to today's Green Journey. Remember, nature offers us a plethora of tools to enhance our health and heal our bodies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural wisdom and health tips. Until next time, embrace the healing herbs, stay curious, and make every day a step towards your best health. Here's to living a life full of vitality and wellness.